Welcome to Beginner's Guide to Finger Millet Farming in Kenya from KilimoBora Mobile Learning Center. And in our lesson 1, we want to do introduction to finger millet farming. And my name's Al Masoka Isaac. In our first lesson, we'll go through the finger millet farming in Kenya. Then 2, why start finger millet farming, and the role of finger millet in food and nutrition security. To begin with, finger millet is a nutritious traditional cereal largely grown by small-scale farmers in Kenya. This is a very important cereal crop in rain-fed agro-ecosystems, and mostly it is grown in selected few areas that include Western, Nyanza, and Rift Valley provinces of Kenya. Why is it important to do finger millet farming in Kenya? Finger millet, commonly known as wimbi in Kenya, is an important cereal crop for subsistence agriculture. This finger millet is recognized as a highly nutritious food. This crop has particular relevance for food security as it is more drought tolerant than maize, which is a staple food and less susceptible to pests and disease damage. This finger millet, in addition, is one of the hardiest crops grown in this region, and the seeds have excellent keeping qualities, which makes it very important for farming reserve food. That means when you harvest your finger millet, you can, after doing all the post-harvesting materials, that is when you process it, you can keep it over 5 years without being damaged by the weevils. Finger millet as well commands a high price in the market, price fetching 3 to 5 times the price of other cereals. That's why it is advisable to do finger millet farming, and that is its advantages over the other cereals. The role of finger millet in food and nutrition security. Finger millet, as we've said earlier, is a nutritious traditional cereal largely grown by small-scale farmers, for it plays an important role in both diet needs and income of many rural households. Finger millet contains carbohydrates, which is the main source of energy for our bodies. This energy powers the brain and the whole body system. Proteins in finger millets helps the body repair cells and make new ones. Proteins are also important for growth and development in children, teenagers, as well as pregnant women. Finger millet is an excellent source of calcium and phosphorus, which are good for growth of strong health, bones, and teeth, especially in young children. Finger millet is also very rich in iron that is important for blood formation, thus help in preventing anemia, especially in young children, teenagers, and pregnant women. It is a good source of zinc, which is vital in building your immune system that protects you from harmful germs. Zinc is also important for the growth and development of young children. The role of finger millet in food and nutritional security. Finger millet has fiber, which helps to reduce weight as they release energy role and keeps you full for a longer period. This fiber helps one feel full and keeps blood cholesterol levels in check, since the bad cholesterol contributes to heart diseases. Finger millet grain is generally sold at several times the price of other cereals. Finger millet is one of the hardiest crops grown, and the seeds have excellent keeping qualities, which makes finger millet a very important family reserve food. That is the end of our introduction, and the next lesson we'll be looking at the suitable areas recommended for growing finger millet. Thank you for your attention.